Magandang hapon po ng May 29, 2025 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 29, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas ng para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, May 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas ng para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 29, 2025, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, May 29, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 29, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.